I'm just going crazy today. I love to cook, and I don't know, Sundays just seem a great day, and I only have 3 rings left to do. But tell you what, it's my first time doing onion rings, and this is turning out awesome. We'll show you. First thing you do is 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Whip that up, whisk that up, and put that in a flat container. You take your onion ring, well, you slice your onion rings. I'm sure if you're making onion rings, you know that. And you dredge them in that first. Then you dredge them in 4 eggs and 2 cups of buttermilk. And then you take them back and put them in the flour again. Dredge them in that flour. Cover them good. Okay, now we got a nice coating on them. So they've been in the flour twice. Now we're going back to the egg and buttermilk. Kind of give it a good drip some of it off anyway. And then you dredge it in 6 cups of Panko. And put them over on a piece of parchment. I'm going to do some of these little ones. That's my favorite. The little ones. Arrange them in your fryer basket and fry them at between 350 and 375. The recipe said 350. My fryer says onion rings are supposed to be at 375. So just 1 layer. Don't crowd them. Here we go. Look at those. Aren't those gorgeous? 1.5 minutes is all you need. Put it down in there. 1.5 minutes.